Now, you already know that battery substation is one of the main signatures that separates NIO from the other EV companies, which is one of the things that, for those of you that have been following me for some time, so we have discussed a lot. I mean, you already know by now, or you should at least know by now if you're a new investor, that these battery substations enables users or new users to be able to change battery in their car in less than 4.5 minutes. Now, these battery substations, you already know that NIO is strategically placing them so that they offer more or give more convenience to their users. Now, today, ladies and gents, we read wonderful news of saying that NIO has completed installing or deploying this in most of the highways in China. So people in China can now easily benefit from these battery substations or these NIO battery substations if they consider buying the NIO cars. Now, like I've always been saying, battery substations offers convenience, and of course this is one of the things that is making consumers or the Chinese consumers to want to prefer buying the NIO cars, because like I said, you are able to change your battery in your car in less than 4.5 minutes compared to probably 30-45 minutes, even to an hour, going to a charging station to get your car to be charged. So these battery substations, when you have opted or when you have subscribed to this battery swapping station service in NIO, you are able to obviously change your battery much quicker. It's like you're going to a normal gas station to put gas in your car. So this kind of service that NIO is providing offers convenience to the consumers. Now, we read that NIO has connected battery substations along one of the main highways of China, connecting the cities in the coastal area in China. And of course, this highway is called the G15, which of course is the most important highway running from north to south, which is something that is incredible. Now, we read that this is a 3,710 kilometer highway, which NIO, ladies and gents, has installed battery substations, or has installed a total of 36 battery substations along that highway, which is something that is incredible. We read that each battery substation was connected or deployed each and every 115 kilometers out of that 3,710. So every 115 kilometers you are definitely going to find a NIO battery substations, which that, ladies and gents, if that's not convenient, then I personally don't know what you would want. Because imagine you don't have to stop all the way. You don't have to stop for an hour. You just have to stop probably, I don't know, a couple of times, and doing your battery substation in less than 4.5 minutes, which is something that I personally believe that it is out of this world, and it is convenience at its best. Now, to date, NIO has deployed around 985 battery substations in China only, which is something that is incredible, because you remember that NIO has again deployed a battery substation that is currently active right now in Norway, which is also offering convenience to those people that buy the NIO ES8 in Norway. As you know, that ES8 model, it is the only model that NIO is currently selling in Norway. And ladies and gents, people are giving good reviews of the NIO ES8, which is something that is incredible, because though this car might be really old, or since it's the first vehicle that NIO obviously came and revealed, it is still a car that so many people are liking out there. And the fact that NIO will be upgrading the digital cockpit in all of their existing old models, it is one of the things that will make people to even like more this vehicle, which is something that is incredible. This just means that NIO's old models are probably still going to be in demand even in the years to come, and not only in China but also outside of China, which is the exact reason or main reason why we are seeing also the sales in Norway doing or growing much faster. And these old models, and that is of course the ES6, ES8 and the EC6, like I said, the NIO will be starting to sell the new version or the facelift of this model starting from August of this year, which is something that is incredible and is going to make sure that the demand on those old models continue growing. And as for their new models, that is the ET5, ET7 and the ES7, which uses the latest NIO technology, we are still going to see a lot of demand coming already in these new models. And of course, with the ET5, you remember that most analysts are projecting or predicting that the ET7, which is the NT 2.0 platform vehicle, which NIO just started delivering from March of this year, we are to expect to see 5,000 or more delivery starting in August, which is something that is incredible and must just show you the kind of delivery numbers we will get to going towards the end of the year. Because with the ET5, you know that NIO intends or plans to start delivering that model in September or end of September, and the ES7, they plan to start delivering that model end of August, which is something that is incredible. And looking at the fact that, of course, most analysts believe that NIO will finish the year delivering around 25 to 30,000 vehicles, it is one of the things that, of course, must definitely make you to remain bullish or stay long onto this NIO stock, because this is a stock that one way or the other, it is just set to do very well. And one thing for sure that is exciting retail investors at this time is the fact that the NIO share price has been recovering quite well. I mean, from the 52-week low that we just saw coming in a few weeks ago to where it's trading at right now, it is around 80% recovery. On NIO, it's up almost 80% from its 52-week low, which of course it was below $12 per stock, which is something that it is really exciting investors or retail investors, including myself, as I'm closing in terms of course, reaching a break even on the NIO stock. I mean, yesterday, those of you that follow me on YouTube, I did share a screenshot of saying that right now, as it stands on NIO, I'm currently down 12%, which, of course, looking at the fact that a few weeks ago I was down almost 40%, it is something that excites me as a retail investor. And one thing for sure, if it happens that we go down there or the NIO stock drops again and going down there, I'm definitely going to load the boat once again, making sure that I bring my average purchase share price down, which is the exact same thing that I personally think that you guys should also be doing. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I should just give you this quick update in relation to the battery swap stations deployment, which NIO has been doing in the highways or in China's highways, which is one of the things that, of course, it's important as these battery swap stations offers or bring convenience to the consumers or to those that buy the NIO cars. Otherwise, if you enjoyed, like I said, please consider hitting the likes button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me. And I wish you nothing but the best in the stock market investing journey. And God bless you all.